So today I will show you how I built this dowel holder. I attached it to the side of my cabinet and it swivels in these tubes, and this gives me easy access to the dowels and my brass tubes and pipes and such. And when I'm done, I close up and it stores away neatly. So stick around. So what I'll be using is this PVC pipe, and it is a diameter of 2 inches. And what I've done is set the stop block so the pieces will cut at 7 inches in length. Now the next step is to plug the pipes, and what I'll do is I'll use my hole saw to make some plugs. Now the plugs are 2 1/8 inch, and the inside diameter of the pipes is 2 inches. So it will be a very snug fit. And once you pound it in, it will be very difficult to pull apart. Now to figure out how the tubes would fit on the rack, I made this, and these swivel back and forth, and that's what I want my tubes to do. So this is just a test to see if it will work. So I'm just about done. I've added some dowels, some brass and steel dowels and some wooden dowels, and it swivels back and forth, and now I'm going to install it on my cabinet. So the last thing to do is add a dowel, and that'll be for a stop. There we go. So that's it for my dowel holder. This dowel holder works really nice. So anyways, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.